Hello, my name is Dimitrios Lazaridis and I'm taking over Orexi kitchen today.
Where were you born?
Born in Greece, in Athens.
And where was your father born?
My father born in Odessa.
Tell me about Odessa.
Odessa was a multicultural city and Pontians involved with the local community and involved with the kitchen, you know. And they learn too many things. They learn about Piroski. They adapt all this recipe, and now here we are.
Tell me about Piroski.
Piroski looks like dumplings, filling with feta, white cheese, and or minced beef, or with potato.
Which one do you like best?
Potato. When I was young, I didn't like potato, but I used to like, meat, cheese. But now I think my taste is changed.
Tell me about your memories of Piroski when you were little.
I remember these days, our parents, in Athens, they didn't go to the restaurants. They liked to go each other's house, and I remember that every weekend we share our food with our friends and best friends, kubari, best mates, and I remember it was a celebration. We gave the weekend not to rest, to involve with this celebration, And I remember the ladies, they had the competition, who made the best Piroski. Today, the other kumbara is going to make Piroskis. He's making very good, he has a very good recipe. The women this period is not a lie, but they used to share the recipe, but they used to keep secrets from these recipes. So when the other lady come and say back to her and say, I used your recipe, but it wasn't successful. You did something wrong.
Are you going to give us the full recipe today?
Let's see. Let's see the results.
Do you make Piroski here?
Yes, we're making Piroski. I make Piroski in my home and I invite my family. And my family is from Arcadia. And they didn't know about Piroski, but I think they enjoy it.
I'm sure they do. Nice. That's the original Greek extra virgin olive oil. Can you tell me about it?
Yes, that it is. Yes, it's coming from Heathcote. We're producing in a family farm. The pioneer is my mother-in-law, okay? And my mother-in-law, she's very active. She created this farm with olive oil. Like I said, I'm coming from Athens. I had no idea about farming. I had no idea about olive trees. I learned from her how to harvest the olives and how to prune the olives trees. This olive oil we create with love. All the last years we share with friends, with families. It's the first time that we bottle this olive oil, and first time we went in competition, international competition here in Australia, and we won the gold medal.
You sure did. I can see a gold sticker there. Check it out. You won gold. Well done. Okay, are you going to teach us how to make Piroski?
Yes, of course, with the right recipe.
Fantastic. All right, let's go. Dimitrios, we're going to use the original Greek extra virgin olive oil to fry our piroski in. Should we be using olive oil to fry with?
Definitely we can. Thousands of years Greeks use olive oil for frying and for cooking.
Yeah, makes sense, doesn't it? We should use olive oil for frying. All right, let's do it. Is it ready?
A little bit.
Needs a little bit more. Okay.
I think we're ready.
Right. Instant bubbling and sizzling.
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready. We're ready to fry. Oh, whoa. Looking good, looking good. Dimitrios, they look amazing. Can we look inside?
Yeah, of course.
See what's going on? Check it out. Mostly filling, not too much dough. They look delicious. Can't wait to try one.
We'll try first.
Okay.
Very nice.
Very nice.
I hope you make my piroski recipe with my olive oil, the original Greek olive oil, gold winner 2021, and Orexi.
Orexi.
Are you sure that I gave you the right recipe?
I hope so. If you want to be invited back, I hope you did. Orexi. Thank you, Dimitrios.
Thank you.